beautiful people, welcome to my channel. And today I'm preparing fried rice. So the first thing I'm doing is to parboil my rice, which is what I'm doing now. Then after that, I'll wash and set aside. Now I'll try to get my vegetables ready. I'm almost done with my vegetables. So here is my spring onion. After cutting it, I'll add it to other vegetables. Here is my vegetables. Then I've already washed my rice. My sweet corn, my carrots, my red kidney pea, my sliced onion, my green pea, and my sliced spring onion. After putting my oil in the pan, I add my carrots first because I love my carrots to be a bit softer than others. Then I'll keep stirring so that it won't burn. I add my curry and thyme. Then I add my onions. As I've said, I'll keep stirring so that it won't burn. I add my spring onion. Then continue stirring. I add my seasoning, then salt to taste. So I keep adding the vegetable one after the other. This is the red kidney. Then I'll mix it together. I'll stir it together. Then I'm adding the green pea to it. I'll stir that together as well. Then I love to add my sweet corn last so that it won't be too soft. And the essence of the frying is for the ingredients to enter the vegetables so that it's going to taste nice. I'll stir everything together for like 1 minute and set aside. I have some oil in the pot, so I'm going to add some to it. I add salt. I add onion. I love onion in my food. Then I will add the already pre-cooked or parboiled rice and give it a thorough mix or thorough stir so that it won't burn. I add curry. Keep stirring. Then thyme. I add thyme. Oh, I had that agigum to give it pepperoni taste. I keep stirring. I add seasoning, then salt, just to balance the taste. And I'll pour like a glass of water to it so that it can cook well. I'm going to cover this and allow to cook for some minutes. And here, the rice is cooked well. So I'll be adding the fried vegetables and mix it together. I'm salivating already. Voila, the food is ready.